The library can take you on all sorts of adventures through books. And now you can have your own adventure with our state park passes available for checkout.
Thanks to the South Carolina State Library, we received 26 of these awesome state park pass kits. So each backpack has magnifying glass, binoculars, things you need to explore the parks, but most importantly, a pass for free admission to all of the parks in South Carolina.
That means you'll have a free ticket into 47 different parks, including 2 in Charleston County, the Edisto Beach State Park and Charlestown Landing.
The state parks are so great to explore, to get out, be in the outdoors and get exercise and be in nature. Charlestown Landing is fantastic because it's got, of course, the animal forest, and it's got so much history for people to learn and explore while they're there walking and getting their exercise.
You can check out the passes for 2 weeks and place a hold now with your library card.
This is a fantastic addition because we're not only providing books and movies and all the great things the libraries offer, but we're adding experiences and connections to these fantastic community partners that families may otherwise not be able to experience because, of course, these things aren't free. This is one more way that we can remove barriers and connect people with the great things in our community.
The passes expire at the end of the year, so go ahead and place a hold while they last. And I'll see you next Monday to meet your library.